Hi guys, Kale Vlogs here. First and foremost, for this video, it's going to be announcing the winners for the 300 subscribers giveaway. And from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Putting your entries for the previous video that I made, to the announcements for the giveaway video. Hence, me making today's video na to finally announce the winner. And without further ado nga naman, let's get started. Okay guys, so again, I just want to say thank you so much for, subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and commenting the things that you wanted to share on my giveaway video para nga naman nagkakaroon ako ng mga idea what other video contents that you would like me to do for this year and, moving forward para nga naman na-expand natin yung mga videos or nabibigyan natin ng further highlight on the things that you wanted me to do. And, there were really a lot of comments there from more Funko Pop set reviews, different themes for Funko Pops that have been created like Disney, Pokemon, so I'll venture on that sometime this year. Abangan nyo yun guys, and then other more Lego content like Lego content in general, pero may mga nakita ko good number for Star Wars. And don't worry guys, I do have a couple to several Lego Star Wars sets that I'm already planning to make videos, for this month and the following months to come for this year. And then there were others na mga more toy reviews. So again, from the bottom, I just really appreciate it, and from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you guys. So ngayon na we have reached 300 subscribers, and actually nag more than 300 subscribers pa tayo. So talagang thank you again. Because of your generous support talaga guys, kaya natin i-announce na rin yung winner. And eto nga, again, just a reminder guys, na ito yung video tuloy, yung character na ating ipapamigay for this giveaway. Again, this is the Dragon Ball Z na Funko Pop, and this is Goku Ultra Instinct, which is a Funko Special Edition sticker and a glow in the dark guys. So ayan, so let me just, apologies, may narinig kayo na bell noise. Meron kasing dadaan na nagbebenta ng binatog. So sorry about that guys. Talagpasin ko lang ng konti. Sorry talaga. So let me just change my camera angle real quick and get my other phone and set the spin the wheel app para nga naman maput na natin yung mga sumali sa entries and then to choose the lucky winner guys. So let me just change my camera angle real quick and do all what I need to set up. So give me guys just a quick sec. Okay guys, so as you can see, naka-top down view na tayo, and good news is that hindi nyo na nakikita yung black na malaking piece of the tripod that's you can see whenever I do a top review, because we've now finally bought a new stand with light, kaya medyo maganda yung lighting niya ngayon. So moving forward na, you won't be seeing that annoying black thing anymore, so really happy for that. But anyways, as you can see here, we already have the wheelofnames.com. So this is a website that I'm using. So I checked all of the people that subscribe to the channel, of course, yung mga nag-like and then nag-comment that will serve as their entry for the giveaway video. And there are a total of 23 entries. As you can see, 0 results pa yan because we haven't checked pa or I haven't tried it. So again, all of the entries are there na based from what I've read. So again, for this giveaway, ang ating ipamimigay ay si Goku na Ultra Instinct na Funko Pop, which is a glow in the dark and has that Funko Special Edition sticker. So for one last check, so ayan guys, yung figure, box conditions, and don't worry guys, it will come in a pop protector and it will also be inside a sorter box para nga naman pag sinip out na para dun sa lucky winner, of course the package will come in very safe and secured. But without further ado, let's now actually choose our winner. Tap to spin. Alright, ayan na, and our lucky winner is alright, congratulations, Oh the Humanity -B2G. You are the lucky winner for this Goku Ultra Instinct Funko Pop. So, congratulations, and you're talaga masabi ko, very lucky ka because you've won this amazing figure right here. So, we are now going to remove. So, I'm going to put sa description yung where you can contact or connect with me so that we can discuss on how the figure will be sent to you. So again, the Humanity dash B2G, congratulations for again winning the Dragon Ball Funko Pop. Pero I'm just going to throw a little bit of a curveball here, guys. And because there were a lot of entries talaga and I really enjoyed your comments, reading them. So I've decided to put in another figure for the giveaway, guys. So this is the Captain Marvel from the Avengers Endgame. So this will be the other figure na again, pa-surprise ko rin na i-giveaway for this one. So hindi lang isa pero dalawa yung magiging lucky winners natin. So again, meron na tayong isa and we're going to give away another one. So again, the reason why I'm deciding to do this kasi guys, you were so supportive of the giveaway video talaga. So it just seems fair din naman talaga na sige, magbigay tayo ng isa pa. So without further delay, let's choose another one. Okay, and the winner for this figure is none other than April Loves Cats Forever 90. So congratulations, April Loves Cats Forever 90. You are the lucky winner for this second surprise figure for this giveaway. So again, nilagay ko naman na sa description yung where you can contact me and connect so that we can discuss how the figure will be sent to you. So again, April Loves Cats Forever 90. Congratulations. So yun ang ating 2 lucky winners. So again, si Oda Humanity dash B2G wins the Dragon Ball, and then si April Loves Cats Forever 90 ang nanalo ng ating Captain Marvel. So again, from the bottom of my heart, I wanted to say thank you so much for being supportive and putting your entries. You are lucky. And for the rest of those who put their entries na hindi nakapanalo, don't worry guys. Don't be sad na hindi kayo nakuha kasi this is not the last time naman I'm going to do a giveaway video. Just a little snippet na lang din guys. Meron akong share sa inyo. So let me just change my camera angle real quick. Okay guys, so I've changed the camera angle and balik na tayo sa normal view natin. So again, as you can see, the winners na earlier. So again, just going to show it one last time. So the Humanity dash B2G, congratulations for winning the Goku Ultra Instinct Funko Pop for our giveaway, and the surprise figure na pinasabay ko din pa for this video kasi nga talagang daming entries and nakakatuwa naman. So I decided to give one more figure for another lucky winner. And the second one is April Loves Cats Forever 90. So again, thank you so much also for participating, and you've won this lucky Captain Marvel na figure from Avengers Endgame. So again, to the both of you, congratulations. I've put in the description of this video the details of where you can contact me and where we can connect so that we can discuss how the figure will be sent to you. So again guys, i-check nyo na lang sa description and then let's connect para at least ma-discuss paano ko may papadala yung mga figures sa inyo. And for those that who were not chosen or at least hindi the lucky winner, don't be sad guys kasi hindi naman ito yung making last na giveaway video. And as I mentioned just a while ago or earlier before I changed the camera angle, next month there is going to be something special na masasabi ko guys. And ako sasabihin ko, abangan nyo yun guys. There might be 2 giveaway videos na gawin ko within the same month, which is next month. So abangan nyo lang yun guys. But again, to our 2 lucky winners today for the 300 subscribers giveaway video, congratulations. And of course to our second surprise winner also, congratulations to the both of you. So that's it lang naman guys for today's video to announce our lucky winners for the 300 subscribers giveaway video. So from the bottom of my heart guys, I just want to say thank you again for supporting on my channel and putting in your entries. And again, for those that weren't chosen, don't worry guys, this is not the last. Abangan niyo yung next month. Nasabi ko, abangan niyo yun guys. That's it lang naman for this video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on that notification bell para nga naman updated kayo sa mga uploads ko in the future. Like this video if of course you like this video, and then comment down below guys what figures do you think I will be giving away for another giveaway video. Let me guys know in the comment section. But that's it lang naman guys for today's video, and this has been another episode of Kale Vlogs. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.